Welcome to Vidyanagar online class. So, do you remember where we stopped in our last class? Yeah, we were studying the divisibility rule of certain numbers. Now only one is remaining in that is the divisibility of 11. So in this class, we will study the divisibility of 11. What is the easy method to find whether a number is divisible by 11? That is the divisibility rule. Then after that, we will study prime factorization. That you might have learned in a previous year, but you will have to revise it. Now we are going to study the divisibility rule of 11. See, there are certain steps to follow for finding the divisibility of 11. Now see a number 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay. The first step is from the given number, take alternate digits from the right side. Once again repeat, take alternate numbers from the right side. So in this number, when you start from the right side, first number is this one. Then don't take the next one. Alternate numbers you have to take. So 1 and 3. Then next step you add those numbers, that is 1 plus 3. It is 4. Then take the other numbers. Other alternate numbers are 3 and 1. Add that also. 3 plus 1. That is also 4. Next step is find the difference between these two. That is 4 minus 4. It is 0. So here what you have to see is when the answer which you get is either 0 or a multiple of 11. Okay. The answer which you get is either 0 or a multiple of 11. Then you can say that that number is divisible by 11. Here the answer is 0. So 1331 is divisible by 11. Okay, and the number 61,809. 61809. So what is the first step? Start from the right side, take alternate numbers. So which are the alternate numbers here? 9, 8, 6. Then what will you do? Add it. 6 plus 8 plus 9. What is 6 plus 8 plus 9? 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. Okay. Take the other number. 0 and 1. Add that. 0 plus 1, 1. What is the next step? Find the difference between these two. That is 23 minus 1. What is 23 minus 1? It is 22. So what I told you, if the answer you get should be either 0 or a multiple of 11, then you can say that this number is divisible by 11. Is this a multiple of 11? Yeah, 2 into 11 is 22, isn't it? So this is a multiple of 11. That means this number is divisible by 11. Okay, the final answer is 0 or a multiple of 11. You can say that the given number is divisible by 11. Since this is 22, it's a multiple of 11. We say that 61,809 is divisible by 11. Clear? Now one more example I'll do for you. See the number 21,453. So what is the first step? Take the alternate number from the right side. So 3, 4, 2. Add it. 3 plus 4 plus 2. What is 3 plus 4 plus 2? It is 9. Okay. Then take the other numbers. 5 and 1. 5 plus 1. What is 5 plus 1? It is 6. Then what is the next step? Find the difference between these two. 9 minus 6, that is 3. So what you studied, if the answer is either a 0 or a multiple of 11, then the given number will be divisible by 11. Here it is 3. It is not 0 nor a multiple of 11. So this number, that is 21,453, is not divisible by 11. Okay. See, our next topic is prime factorization. That is factorizing using prime numbers. We have studied prime numbers before, isn't it? In our previous classes, we have studied what is a prime number and what is a composite number. So, can you say some prime numbers less than 10? Okay, we start that. The smallest prime number is 2. Then Next 3, 5, 7. That's all. Below 10 only. This much prime numbers are there. Then after 7 which will come? It is 11. Then 13. It goes on like that. Now see, here is prime factorization. That is using these prime numbers you have to factorize a given number. I will show an example. Suppose you are factorizing 24. Prime factorization means use only prime number for factorizing. So this is 24. Which is a prime number you can use here? Yeah, it is 2 you can use. So it is 24 divided by 2. 12. Again, it's again even number, not 12. So you can again use 2. Then 12 divided by 2, 6. Again you can use 2. Then answer is 3. Now 3 is a prime number, so you can use a prime number only. So again 3. Okay. Now another example. You take 25. 25. Listen, when you are doing the prime factorization, if the last digit is 5 or 0, you can always start from 5. And if it's a even number, you can use 2. Keep that in mind whenever you factorize. So here it is 25. So you can use 5. So 25 divided by 5, it is 5. So 5 is a prime number, you can use 5 itself. So answer is, so you factorize it, isn't it? So how will you write this? 25, you can write it as 5 into 5. And this 24, you can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 1 is always there, isn't it? 1 is all factor of all the numbers. Now one more example I'll take, say 980. You want to prime factorize 980. So what will you do? What did I tell you? If the last digit is 0 or 5, you can use the number 5. So you can use here 5. Then 980 divided by 5. What is the answer? 1. Then 9. 196. Okay. Now see 196. Which number you can use? It is a even number, isn't it? So you can use 2. 98. Again it's an even number. Again you can use 2. 98 divided by 2. 49. Now which number can you use? It's not an even number, so you can't use 2 there. Then for 49, it's not divisible by 3 also. 9 plus 4, 13. It's not divisible by 3. Then next 5. If your numbers will be divisible by 5, the last digit must be 0 or 5. Here it is 9. So that is also not possible. So next take the next one. That is 7. Yeah. So you can take that 7. 7 into 7 is 49. Now 7 is a prime number. You can use 7 itself. So what the answer? So 980 you can write it as 5 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Okay. From here you write all the questions and answer in your notebook. Now see, these are exercise questions. So this you can write in your notebook. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following are divisible by 11. Some numbers are given there. You have to find whether they are divisible by 11. So you know how to find the divisibility of 11. So we will do the first one. What is the first step here? 5445. First step is start from right side, take the alternate numbers. That is 5 plus 4. 9. Take the other numbers. 4 plus 5. That is also 9. Next step, find the difference between these two. 9 minus 9. 0. I told you, if we get the answer as 0, then the number will be divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Next one, 10824, 10,824. Take the alternate numbers 4, 8, 1. 4 plus 8 plus 1. That is 13. 2 and 0. 2 plus 0. 2. Then 13 minus 2. What is 13 minus 2? It is 11. So it's a multiple of 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Okay. Take the next one. It's a bigger number, so how many zeros are there? So start from right side. 1, 2, 3. You took the alternate numbers. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. That is 1. Take the other one. 0, 0, 0, 1. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. Again 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So it is divisible by 11. Okay. See the next question. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space so that the number formed is divisible by 3. See, there is a blank space here. You have to write the smallest number and the greatest number which you can place here so that the whole number is divisible by 3. See, do you remember the divisibility of 3? How will you find whether a number is divisible by 3? Yeah, we add all the numbers, isn't it? And if the answer is a multiple of 3, you say that it is divisible by 3. So you can find that. So let us add the given numbers, okay? 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. What is the answer? 6 plus 7, 13, plus 2, 15, plus 4, it is 19. Okay. When you added these numbers, you got 19. Now you have to find the smallest and greatest number. First, we will try to find the smallest number. So whichever number you write here, you will add this to 19, isn't it? So to find the smallest number, start adding from 0. 19 plus 0. 19 plus 0 is 0. Sorry, 19. Okay. Then next, 19 plus 1. 20. Not a multiple of 3. Then 19 plus 2. 21. 21 is a multiple of 3, isn't it? So the smallest number which you can write there is 2. So the smallest number is, where will you write that? Smallest number 2. Okay. Now you have to find the greatest number. For that, start adding from, to find the greatest number, start adding from 9. 9 is the greatest single digit. So start from 9. 19 plus 9. What is it? 28. Not a multiple of 3. 19 plus 8. 27. It's a multiple of 3. 3 into 9 is 27. So the greatest number will be 8. Greatest number, it is 8. Understood how to do? Oh, so one more question is there. We will do that. What is the first step? Add the given numbers. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2. Add it. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. See? So what is the first step to find the smallest? You start adding from 0. 24 plus 0, it is 24 itself. Because since 24 is a multiple of 3, 0 will be the smallest digit which you can write there. So smallest number is, smallest number 0. Now you want to find the greatest digit. For finding the greatest digit, it will add first 24 plus 9. What is 24 plus 9? 33. 33 is also a multiple of 3. So the greatest number will be, greatest number is 9. Okay. Now see the next one. Write a digit in the blank space so that the number formed is divisible by 11. See, it's a divisibility of 11. Here also the method is different. The 3, it was very easy, isn't it? You can add all the numbers and find out. Here you have to find only one digit, not the smaller and greatest. Only one digit you can find, which I have to write here. Okay. For that, as usual, divisibility of 11, you start from right side, take the alternate numbers and add. So here 9, 3 and 2. 9 plus 3 plus 2. What is 9 plus 3 plus 2? 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2, 14. Take the other numbers. 8 plus dash plus 9. 8 plus dash plus 9. That is 17. Then next step is also same. Find the difference between these two. 17 minus 4. that is, 14, that is 3. Now, one more step is there. After that, you find the difference between 11 and this answer. Okay, since it is 3, difference between 11 and 3, 11 minus 3, that is 8. So, 8 will be the number which you can write here. Okay, 8 is the answer. Now, I will give another example. 8 dash 9484. Okay, 8 dash 9484. What will you do? Start from the right side, alternate numbers. 4 dash 4 plus 4 plus dash, that is 8. Then the other one, 8 9 8. 8 plus 9 plus 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. Then next, find the difference between these two. 25 minus 8. 25 minus 8 is 17. One more step is there for finding the missing number. What is that? Find the difference between 17 and 11. What is the difference between 17 and 11? It is 6. So, 6 will be the answer. As usual, when you find the divisibility of 11, do that. Then the last step from this answer, when you're finding the divisibility of 11, what will you do? You stop here, isn't it? If this number is 0 or multiple of 11, you say that the given number is divisible by 7. But to find a missing number, you have to do one more step. That is, from the answer, find the difference between the given answer and 11. So that answer will be the missing number. Okay. Now see the next question. Write the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? Yeah, it is 999. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Which is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. Greatest 2-digit number? 99. Okay. Now you have to prime factors. Find the prime factor means prime factorize it. That is, using the prime number you have to factorize. We studied it now. So use the prime number. Here it's not an even number, so you cannot use 2. So you can use 3 there. So here 3, you divide, you'll get like this. Okay. Again you can divide with 3. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now the next step is 11. You cannot use any other number less than 11. So 1111 divided by 11, that is 101. Now see, 101 is a prime number. So you can use 101 only. So the prime factors are, you can write it as 9 is equal to 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. Okay. See the next one. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in the form of its prime factors. Same as the previous question. There they are the greatest 4-digit number. Here you have to use the smallest 5-digit number. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? Which is the smallest 2-digit number? It is 10, isn't it? This is the smallest 2-digit number. What about the 3-digit number smallest? It is 100. 4-digit number, 1000. So 5-digit number, it will be 10,000. So you have to prime factorize 10,000. So how will you prime factorize 10,000? I told you, if the last digit is 0 or 5, you can start with 5. So first you can write 5. Then 2,000. Okay. Again you can use 5. 400. Again you can use 5. 80. Again you can use 5. 16. Now finish. You cannot use 5 here. But it's an even number, isn't it? So you can use 2 there. 16 divided by 2, 8. Again you can use 2. 4. Again 2. So, okay. So which are the prime factors? 10,000 is equal to into 5 into 5 into 5. Then into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Watch the video carefully and write down all the question answers from where I mentioned in the video and send it to me before 12:30. Thank you.